welcome back. Today we are going to make a mug cake. I'm going to make this mug cake with my cousins Amrita and Ashika. So we did this mug cake for my sister's birthday and it turned out really well. So I thought I would just make it. So these are the ingredients. We need bourbon, baking powder, a glass of milk, and then our blender. Let's get started. Yeah. Here you go. You need to crack them actually.
Oh, okay.
So we need to crack them. We can't put the whole thing in. So we have to go to blend it now. I'm going to put the lid on. So we finished blending. Now we are going to add the baking powder and milk. We need a teaspoon of baking powder.
And I'm gonna add the milk. So you wanna add the milk until it's a batter, like a cake batter consistency. And then I'm gonna give it to my sister to blend.
Into the blender. So we blended it and now it's nice and how you would want it to be. Now we're going to add it into our cups.
We're gonna add a little bit of Nutella between so it's like a choco lava cake.
So this is how our cups look. We're going to add some Nutella to make it extra delicious. So it's kind of like a choco lava cake. And now we are going to add it.
So Sadgun, 1 spoon or 2 spoons?
It depends on how much you want, really.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you. So now that we're done putting Nutella in our cups, we're gonna put a little bit of the batter inside our cups, or else when you put it into the microwave, the Nutella will roast, but if you put the batter over it, it will become a nice choco lava mug cake. So now it's all full and no Nutella is showing. So we finished all of our mug cake batters. The little sister's one is a little bit small because we didn't add the Nutella. So it's 2 minutes if you want it, but just for some extra sweetness, we're gonna do it 1 minute, 45 seconds and add some marshmallows on top. Okay, now we're gonna say some weird but true facts. So one is, ancient forks had only 2 prongs, like that.
Another one is never cut your noodles in China. A long noodle represents a long life.
Okay. So, a bakery in the UK created an 8-tier wedding cake covered with 2,000 diamonds worth about $50 million.
The world record for eating a medium-sized pizza is 41 seconds.
Now we're gonna say some tongue twisters.
A sprinkler spraying sprinkles.
Betty bought some bitter butter, but that butter was too bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. So the mug cakes look like this. Now we're gonna add the marshmallows on top to make some extra sweetness. This for 15 seconds. So let's do it. Oh. Okay. So now this is all ready. I'm gonna wait a little bit for it to just cool down. Good. Alright, now let's take it out.
This is how it looks for 15 seconds, and that's how it looks for 30 seconds.
So I wanted mine a little bit melted so it'd be like a nice layer on top of it.
I didn't really want mine to be melted completely, so I only did 15 seconds.
How can you eat it? Thank you. Oh wow, this is really good.
When the batter is more nice, the mug cake's gonna come better.
Yeah. So I don't see the Nutella yet. Let me just go a little bit more down.
I think we should go in the middle.
Or should we take it out of the whole thing so it'll be like a nice, like we can cut it in half?
Or I think the Nutella is like in the middle because
Yeah.
Because when we microwave the cake, it comes to a nice puff. The Nutella went right into the center, like right here.
Hope you guys try this cake. It's a very easy 3-ingredient cake, and I really hope you try it. Bye!
Bye!